Let's rebuild your bike.
We need serious upgrades. This bike needs a complete rebuild.
We start with a stronger frame.
These bars will stop Hulk from pushing you.
Let's make them Hulk-proof then. This suspension will absorb heavy impacts. This plate will protect against traps.
Now the front can take a hit.
The engine is locked in place.
Stopping power upgraded.
Side armor complete.
This engine is ready for speed. The balance feels perfect.
Time to give it hero colors.
Time to give my bike the spider touch. Perfect. Now it's ready to swing.
This bike is ready for a rematch.